Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at the trade desk. This is ticker TTD. Now TTD has been in a nice uptrend, all year long, riding up that 8 and 21-day exponential period moving average. But the last month or so, pretty much all of June, it's just kind of gone sideways here. You can see this nice sideways base of consolidation. That's what we want to see within the confines of an uptrend. Rest is fine as long as that rest isn't straight down. Now, that can happen, especially with China stocks, and I do believe this is a China stock, so just FYI on that. But it has, from what I understand, a pretty good reputation, at least as far as I know. But this is the important level that I think we should be watching here on the trade desk. It's right around 77.80, just right above that level. So I'm going to set an alert just below 77.80, maybe 77.78, and look for a break above that level coming on higher than average volume, because that's going to tell me that it's done, hopefully consolidating and going sideways like it has for the entire month of June, and ready to maintain this uptrend. Now, this level is pretty key, and I think it's pretty important for it to rest at this level. If I zoom out here, you can see how this level had acted as kind of the breakdown zone in March of 2022. Broke down, tested it, failed, broke down again, tested it in August, failed, and then, of course, now we're kind of in and around that area again. So that's what I want to see from the trade desk. I'm watching that 77.80 level for a breakout coming on higher than average volume. So I hope that's helpful. And if you want to see what else we're watching for actionable trades, be sure and check out our premium service over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you're not ready for that kind of commitment, that's okay. You can also just sign up for our free email list and get videos like this delivered to your inbox. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I hope to see you next time.